Are you creating dozens of folders manually every time you start a new project? What if Excel could prepare all the folder commands for you, and Windows could create those folders automatically? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn a simple Excel project list into multiple folders in just a few clicks. Okay, let's get started. Here's our project tracker, with a list of projects. Instead of creating a folder for every project manually, we're going to make Excel generate the Windows commands for us. In column B, I'll call this folder command. Click the first cell next to your project name, and type this formula. Start with an equal sign. Then we type MD inside quotes. MD is a Windows command used to create a directory, or folder. Next add an ampersand, the ampersand joins text together. After that, we use the substitute function. We're telling Excel to take the project name from cell A2. Type a space in quotes. Then an underscore in quotes. So replace each space with an underscore. Finally, close the function, and press enter. And here's the result. Excel has converted the project name into a Windows folder command. The MD tells Windows to create the folder, while the underscores give us a clean folder name without spaces. Now simply drag the fill handle down, or double-click it if your adjacent data is continuous. Now we have a complete folder creation command for every project. Next, select the entire folder command. Copy the generated commands. We don't want to copy the column header, so make sure you're copying only the commands. Now open Notepad. Paste the commands into Notepad. Each line should contain one folder command. Now we're going to turn this text file into a Windows batch file. Click File, then Save As. For the file name, enter projectfolders.bat. This extension tells Windows this is a batch file that can run these commands. Now, change Save as type to all files. Save the bat file in the location where you want your project folders to be created. Then click Save. Here's where the magic happens. Just double-click the bat file. Windows executes each MD command one after another. And that's it. All project folders have been created automatically. If this saved you from creating folders one by one, subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more practical Excel tricks.